You can take a break, but not the royalty out of a royal. Bollywood's Nawab, Saif Ali Khan, is back in the saddle, literally. Months after a frightening stabbing incident, the actor has returned to one of his favorite pastimes, horse riding. Recently, the 54-year-old was spotted in Mandava, Jaipur, enjoying a relaxed horse riding session during a break from his current film shoot. Clad in a crisp white shirt, blue jeans, and his signature black sunglasses, Saif looked every bit the regal and stylish gentleman. In a video that's now doing the rounds online, the Omkara star can be seen confidently riding a horse, making a few laps, and then dismounting with ease. He then affectionately pats the horse, a moment that shows his deep bond with the majestic animal. According to sources close to the actor, Saif is currently shooting near Mandava, and in between filming, he's using his downtime to reconnect with horse riding, a hobby that has always been close to his heart. This serene moment comes after a tough start to the year. Back in January, Saif was reportedly attacked by a robber who broke into his and Kareena Kapoor's Bandra home. The actor sustained 6 injuries, 2 of them deep, with one dangerously close to his spine. The shocking incident left fans concerned, but Saif handled his recovery with grace and grit. On 3rd February, Saif made his first public appearance post-injury at the trailer launch of his upcoming Netflix thriller Jewel Thief: The Heist Begins, directed by Kuki Gulati and Robbie Grewal. The film also stars Jaideep Pehlawat and is set to premiere on 25th April. From a near-tragic incident to riding horses again in royal fashion, Saif Ali Khan proves that no setback can keep a true Nawab down for long.
Kiara Advani to make glamorous Met Gala debut amid pregnancy. Mom-to-be Kiara Advani is poised to turn heads at the Met Gala 2025 as she makes her debut at the prestigious fashion event. With an ethereal charm, she's set to join a star-studded guest list filled with global fashion icons. After representing India at the Red Sea Film Foundation's Women in Cinema Gala dinner at Cannes last year, Kiara is now ready to make her mark on one of the most celebrated red carpets in the world. At the Cannes Gala in 2024, Kiara wowed onlookers in a striking pink and black corset gown featuring a dramatic mermaid silhouette. She completed the ensemble with a bold necklace, elegant black gloves, and a sleek bun, cementing her status as a true fashionista. This year's Met Gala theme, Superfine, Tailoring Black Style, will delve into how fashion has played a role in shaping Black identity, with a dress code titled, Tailored for You. The Met Gala 2025 will be co-chaired by Pharrell Williams, actor Coleman Domingo, F1 champion Lewis Hamilton, rapper A$AP Rocky, and fashion mogul Anna Wintour. Basketball legend LeBron James will serve as an honorary co-chair. Kiara's debut at the Met is expected to be one of the standout moments of the year. As she prepares to welcome her first child with husband Siddharth Malhotra, her personal and professional milestones continue to shine brightly, this red carpet appearance being the latest jewel in her crown. Shreya Ghoshal finally gets back her ex account, warns fans of scam ads. Earlier this year, Shreya Ghoshal took to Instagram to inform her fans that her ex account had been hacked. She mentioned that she was actively working on regaining access. After months of trying, the singer has finally reclaimed her account and shared a heartfelt message with her followers. In her post, she also urged fans to stay vigilant and not fall for suspicious links posing as news or updates about her. Shreya posted a video on X along with a message that read, "I am back. I will be talking and writing here often. Yes, my ex account has been in trouble as it got hacked in February. Now I have finally had the help from the @X team after lot of struggles in establishing a proper communication. All is well. Now I am here. Also, there are many weird ads that are running which are articles about me with very absurd headlines and AI-generated pictures. These are clickbaits, which lead to spam fraudulent links. Please keep reporting these ads. I have no power in putting them down. I have tried my best. These are XAD regulations, which allow such ads to run. Hope they solve these matters soon." By writing this, she addressed the growing presence of misleading ads online, highlighting that many featured strange headlines and AI-manipulated images of her. Shreya clarified that these were nothing more than clickbait links leading to spam or possibly harmful websites. She encouraged her followers to keep reporting such content, admitting that she herself couldn't take it down, despite her efforts. The singer attributed the problem to excess current ad policies and expressed hope that the platform would address the problem soon. Earlier, on 1st March, Shreya informed fans on Instagram that she was struggling to get access to her ex account. In an Instagram post, Ghoshal wrote, "Hello fans and friends. My Twitter X account has been hacked since 13th February. I have tried everything in my capacity to reach out to the X team, but there has been no response beyond a few auto-generated replies. I am unable to even delete my account since I can't log in anymore." Shreya recently sang Nana Hairana from Game Changer, Hileso Hilesa from Thandel, and many other songs.
मैडम रुके ना सर, मैम रुके ना इधर ही रुके एक्शन यहाँ पे थैंक यू मैम, बाय श्रेणी.
Sunny Deol reflects on challenges of playing Hanuman in Nitesh Tiwari's Ramayan with Ranbir Kapoor and Yash. Sunny Deol is all set to share screen space with Ranbir Kapoor, Yash, and Sai Pallavi in Nitesh Tiwari's ambitious project, Ramayan. The veteran actor will portray the powerful role of Lord Hanuman in this mythological epic, backed by producer Namit Malhotra. While promoting his upcoming film Jaat, slated for release on 10th April, Sunny was asked about working in a film as technically advanced as Ramayan. He shared that translating a director's vision onto the screen is always a challenge, especially in a project of such scale. An actor's job is to perform and be excited with the character. As an actor, you have to believe the director. The technology has come up so well now that it makes you believe. I remember being taken aback by Superman. Now, the technology in India is getting better. The Chal Jayega matter has reduced and we are all aiming for perfection, Sunny explained, adding further that he is enjoying the process of Ramayan. I am very excited about Ramayan, because Namit is doing it and he is at the moment holding special effect companies all over the world. He is doing a great job and is the right person to make Ramayan. He wants to make it, the film, believable because he believes in the story. I know him for years, and I think he got the right film to do so, Sunny added. Sunny also opened up about the challenges of playing Lord Hanuman in the Nitesh Tiwari directorial, which hits the big screen during the Diwali 2026 weekend. He said, "We are actors and doing our best. To play Hanumanji is going to be difficult in a way, because one doesn't want to do anything wrong. And when does he start shooting for his part in Ramayan? I can't talk all that," he concluded. Meanwhile, Sunny Deol's upcoming film Jaat is releasing in theaters on 10th April.